Why your finger hurt?
Band-Aid.
Band-Aid?
Yeah.
Why? I don't have, I have to look for the Band-Aid here. I don't have it in here.
Maybe.
Maybe what? Maybe sa diyaon.
Maybe.
You have to wash your hands. And then, you have to wash your hands because of the orange though. Look. Look. Remember last night, we took some nail in here? Remember? Ang arte mo dong. Dali. Wash your hands now in the bathroom. Go. Faster dayon? Yeah. Faster. Wash your hands. Lagi, oy. Lagot ni mo, oy. Dali dayon. Aw-aw. Sige, aw-aw. Dali. Ah, kaarte. Come on. Get down, babu. Tingnan niyo na siya, oh. Okay, I'll get a stool. Lagot kay ka dong. Kaartihan mo.
Oh my God.
Oh my God, kada aron. Kaartihan mo.
You lost my finger.
Okay, wash your fingers. And wash your hands.
It's not all in my hand.
Wash your face too.
Why not in
In here, oh. In your mouth. Wash in your mouth pa. Tagot, oy. Wash your mouth ba like this. Okay. Hoy! 2 year. Okay. I'll get a hand towel. Ha? Huh? Oh, here. Wipe lagi dayon. Arte kay kadong. Why you're so arte? What?
This one is brothers.
Yeah, put it back there. Don't lagi open there. There is no Band-Aid in there. Do not touch anything. Ginugulong mo na naman yan eh. Magulo na nga ay. Ginugulong mo na. Oh, what the heck ka diha aron? Nakita mo na yung lollipop. Ah, fix it. I will not open that if you don't fix it. Fix it. Push. Ah, the wire. Push the wire inside the... Ay, ay, ay. Push the wire ba? Oh, turn off the light in the bathroom. Oh my gosh. Complaining. What can you say?
Thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome. Is it good?
Yeah.
Still hurt? You still hurt your finger?
No.
You said no.
Yes.
Yes? Say, hi guys. Hi guys tayo.
No, guys.
Flying kiss like this. Like this. Oh, look. Look, flying kiss ba? Like this. Mwah. Naglalaro siya guys. Oh, andito yung mga laruan niya. Where you going? Oh, okay. No more lagi. No more. Close it ba? La, sige. La. Get down lagi. Oh, tingnan niyo naman yung ano niya. Oh, tiptoe niya. Yung tiptoe niya, kahit nahirapan na siya, hala, sige. Naghahalughog na naman siya. No, lagi. Bahala ka, oy. winalis ko yung lollipop ni Sawyer guys sa sahig kasi very sticky siya. Wala na palang hand towel. Naubos oh. Ayan yung kalat ni Sawyer kaya kumain siya ng orange at saka corned beef with rice. Kuha lang tayo ng hand towel, tissue dito sa garage. Bahala ka daoy. Ay, walang space. Hindi ako makaikot. Hindi ako maka-agi dira. Dito tayo guys. Sa likod ng aking sasakyan. Ito yung paper towel para sa kitchen. At kuha din tayo ng toilet tissue doon sa toilet tissue. Toilet tissue para sa CR kasi naubos na. Agoy! Balik! Balik ha! Balik! Dali! Ala, sunod siya sa ako. Uy! Dali, dayon dong! Ala, sige. The wolfman is there. O, dali na. Come here. Kindly turn off the light, please. You can't. Good job. Okay. Oops. Good job, so. Okay. Gusto niyang tumulong. Sige, go. Okay, let's put it in here. 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 The other side. Okay. More.
More.
Okay. Got it. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Bring it in here. Thank you for helping.
You're welcome.
Okay.
How about this?
Now this one it's for the kitchen. Open, open.
I get to open.
Let's go upstairs. Naglalaba kasi ako, guys. So,
Oh, oh, oh.
what?
My fingers.
So dramatic. You're so dramatic.
It's hard.
Blow it. Come on. Nag-stop na yung aking washing machine. Dali! Wait, I'll blow it. Partihan. Ilagay ko na muna sa dryer yung aking natapos na sa washing machine. What? Yeah. Nilagyan ko guys ng band-aid.
I'm so happy.
What?
I'm so happy.
Why?
I'm so happy to do things and everything.
You're happy, why?
Because I love a band-aid.
Oh, you love band-aid?
Yeah.
Really, let's show it to them, babe.
Band-aid.
Is it hurt?
Yes, to her.
Still hurt? Okay.
I love you.
Mommy's gonna put this one in the... Yan guys, maglagay na ako sa dryer. Diretso na to sa dryer guys. May nag-doorbell guys. Ito na siguro yung jeans ng asawa ko na in-order ko sa Kohl's. Yep. Pulse. Oh, yeah. Pulse. Umating na siya. Oh, I don't know. Ayan naman siya, oh. Let's open it. Sawyer. Let's open it.
Yeah, let's do it.
Huh?
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh.
It's this one here only because it's the sun. Okay, come on. You wanna open this?
Yeah, so.
Come here.
Okay. I'm
What?
ready.
What did
Mommy,
you?
I'm ready.
Ready?
Let's open this.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
But this is not yours. This is for Daddy.
Oh, whoa.
Oh, wow. They have a coupon here.
Whoa.
DoorDash coupon. Oh, this is Mommy.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Dada.
Ito yung aking in-order.
Dada.
Wow.
Dada.
Wow.
Dada.
Ito yung in-order ko, guys. Parang malaki sa akin. Anong size nito?
Mom.
Small na nga to eh. Pero okay lang siya.
Look.
Yan.
Mommy, look.
Maganda siya, guys.
Mommy. Look.
Oh, yeah.
This is.
Oh, yung asawa ko nga jeans.
Oh, Mama. Look. There's no nothing.
Yan. Jeans niya to.
This.
Yan.
This. Wow.
Really? Lah. Agoy, parang maluwag niya to. Parang maluwag to sa kanya kasi stretchable.
This is so big.
It's big.
Oh, Mom.
Move!
This is just.
Move, lagi.
Mommy, Mommy.
That's mommy. Siguro, ano ko to siya.
Mom, look like.
Balik kasi nga parang ano. Parang maluwag to sa kanya. Itong Lee.
Mommy, look like black.
Huh?
Look like it's black.
This is not black. This is blue.
No, this not blue.
Dark blue and white.
Duh.
Yeah.
Mommy, that's not blue.
It's blue and dark. Oh, dark blue and white. Stripe.
It's black.
Black. Magkano ba to? Wala siyang presyo.
Little more, Mommy.
Magbe-bake ako guys ng lasagna. Agoy, yun sa man. Para sa mga bata. Yan. Ito yung i-bake ko. Nagutom ako guys. Meron akong hiniwa dito na kamatis. Tapos may itlog na maalat. Ayan. Tapos meron akong bagoong dito na ginamos. Korean bagoong guys. Ayan. Magkano ba bili ko nito? Hindi ko na alam kung magkano binili ko nito. Mga 4 ata. Ito siya. Bagoong. Lagyan natin to. Yan. Tapos, lagyan natin ng suka. Ito ang ulamin ko ngayon. Kasi hindi pa, matigas pa yung ano ko guys. Yung aking isda na tulingan. Magpapaksiw ako. Mamaya. So, for the meantime, dahil gutom na ako, so ito muna ang ating ulam. Bagoong, Korean bagoong at saka kamatis. Tapos, itlog na maalat. Sarap. Sarap niya. Tapos, may rice tayo. Ha? You wanna try it? Gusto niyang... See? Do you like it or no? You don't like it. I told you. Tapos, may corned beef. Mag-init tayo ng konting corned beef. Tama na yan. Initin lang natin saglit sa microwave. 30 seconds. Tapos, nailagay ko na rin guys yung lasagna para sa mga bata mamaya. Ha?
That's so spicy.
I know. I told you.
like it, Mommy.
You like it?
Yes, it's so good.
Will be so good?
Yeah, it sounds like
Okay. Hindi mo kinain eh. Sabi mo so good. Ha, pakain na ako guys. Ha? Spicy. Ito yung sukaan ko guys oh. Ang sarap niya. Homemade siya na suka. Tapos lagyan natin siya ng kamatis. Tapos corned beef. Buhos na natin yung corned beef. At itlog na maalat. So ayan guys, simpleng-simple yung ulam ko ngayon. Kain tayo guys. Corned beef, bagoong, Korean bagoong na may kamatis at saka itlog maalat. Oh. Harap. Kain tayo guys. Gutom ako. Wala akong almusal. Gusto nyo lang kumain ng almusal kanina. Corned beef at saka rice. Kamatis na may bagoong. Masarap. Nagustuhan ni Sam guys ang Korean bagoong with tomato. Is it salty? No?
Oh, do you like this hairstyle too in the Philippines?
Yeah. Is it salty?
I love salty.
It's good, huh? Like a little bit of spice in it.
It's way too salty, but I like it salty.
Yeah. Gusto niya. Oh, kadiha ron. Oh my goodness, what did you do? He only getting the chocolates. Tulog na si Sawyer, guys. Ayan, sarap ng tulog niya. Kaya, magluluto na ako ng paksiw na tulingan. Tapos, ayan, luto na rin yung lasagna. Kaya, may pagkain na yung mga bata. Nagustuhan ni Samantha yung Korean bagoong. Naubos niya yung kamatis. Gustong-gusto niya. Masarap talaga siya, guys. Ang bagoong. Magluto na ako ng paksiw. Kaya malambot na yung ating isda. Lutuin ko muna to. Yan guys, oh. Ang aking papaksiwin. Iwain ko lang muna to. Ang gagawin ko ito guys is adobong paksiw na tulingan. Ayan. Tubig. Tapos, kung anong gusto nyong vinegar, apple cider ang ginamit ko guys. Tuyo. Yan, tuyo. Tuyo. Lagay natin ang pamintang buo. Ginger. Bawang. Kung gusto niyo maglagay ng sibuyas, maglagay kayo. Kung wala, okay lang. Yan. Tapos, kukuha ako ng magic sarap. So, ito guys, magic sarap. Lagyan natin. May tuyo naman. So, maglagay tayo ng isang pakete ng magic sarap. Yan. Tapos, mamaya pag kumulo, lagyan natin ng mantika. Tapos, yan. Ganyan-ganyan lang natin guys. Shake-shake lang natin. Tama ba to? Shake-shake. Para halo yung ating mga ricados. So, yan. Tapos, ilagay natin sa stove. Yan. At ating takpan. Yan lang yung kadali, guys. Adobong paksiw mulingan. So, mayroon pala akong eggplant, guys. So, lalagyan ko siya ng eggplant ng talong ang aking paksiw. Masarap naman ito siya lagyan ng tawag dito, talong. Kahit nga okra pwede eh. Meron na pa akong talong, so lagyan ko na. Yan. Tapos shake lang natin para maghalo ulit yung mga seasoning at takpan. Nakalimutan ko pala guys, lagyan na siya ng siling haba. Lagyan natin. At lagyan na natin ng mantika guys. Ha?
Why?
What why?
Jelly, mommy.
Jelly, kunting mantika lang. Ooh.
Jelly.
Jelly?
Jelly.
Ito na ang ating adobong paksiw na tulingan.